Welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then we are going to start a video. Please watch the full video. Do not skip. Open the Pixel app. Select a photo. Adjust the photo. Select the import button. Go to the gallery. Select another shape. Remove the background. So the orange color. Change the color. Select the color. Adjust the color. Select the opacity effect. Shadow enable button on. Adjust the shape. Select the perspective option. Adjust the shape. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.